let's talk about the edit. Edit menu is another big part of important part of Google Doc, because in here you do have and sort of all your work and everything you do in Google Docs is somehow completely is gonna be complete with edit menu. And you cannot do even 1% of your work without edit, because you have everything available like undo, redo that we learned in here. Okay, so we already learned undo and redo. Now the key concept is in here, you have to learn their shortcuts, okay, not to just learn with mouse, because saving time with shortcuts is possible, with mouse isn't possible. So you can save a lot of time if you memorize or you learn and work hard with shortcuts. So for example, shortcut of Control Z and undo. Shortcut of undo is Control Z or Command Z. And we have also Control Y for redo. So let's go back in here. We have also cut. For cut shortcut, we have Control X, where it is possible for us to cut some part of a text and to put it somewhere else. We have a copy. Copy is also available for us to copy a particular text, and so we can copy a particular text and we can later on paste it. Now when it comes to paste has two options in here. At first century we didn't have paste without formatting. So at 20th century we have two paste and paste without formatting. So for example, if this is gonna be a formatted text, for example, it's heading 1, I'm gonna copy, and if I come down in here, if I copy without any formatting, so this looks really basic text and plain text, and there is no format into it. But whenever you paste simply, so it's gonna copy also the formatting. We have also deletion and deleting. So you select a particular text or word and you come and you hit delete. We have also select all, which means you can select all the document into one click. And its shortcut is Control A or Command A. We have find and replace, where it can help us to find a text and replace a text. So you can click in here. So you wanted to just, for example, find heading 1. So you search heading 1 and then it finds for you. And it says 1 of 1. So it means this is number 1 of all the heading number 1. Okay, so we have 1. And replace with, where you can replace to something else if you want it. Match the cases, okay, uppercase, lowercase, and everything will be checked and then will be find out. Match using regular expressions as well. Or also you can ignore Latin diacritics, like these things. You can also do that. And finally we have replace all, previous, and next. So that is about the find and replace. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in view menu.